All right, guys, we're back on to experiment number 6. Experiment number 6 is a series circuit with resistance R1 and bulb L1. This is bulb L1. This is resistance R1. What we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and wire up this circuit in a series. So series means one continuous path. So we're going to go from our power source to R1, and then we're going to go from R1 to L1. And then we're going to go from L1 to our ground. Okay, so that gives us a light bulb that has a little bit of dimness. All right, I want to make sure that's not too bright for the camera. In the instructions for experiment number 6, we're going to measure the voltage drop of R1 and the voltage drop of L1. So voltage drop is essentially how much voltage is that component receiving and using. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take our meter. We're going to make sure that we're on the 20-volt scale, and we're going to just simply, with the circuit on, measure our voltage drop. So when we're measuring voltage for R1 is using 3.92 volts. Then I can run over to L1 and measure my voltage. L1 is using 6.18 volts. Now, for those of you who have been doing the experiments, you'll know that this board has about 10.2 volts of available voltage for these circuits. So if you add 6 volts plus 3.9 volts, 6 plus 4 is 10. So the total voltage in this circuit is 10 volts. Each component in a series circuit is sharing the voltage. The amount of voltage is determined by how much resistance that circuit has, that part of the circuit has. So step number 6 in experiment number 6 is asking which would be the total value of the addition of all voltage drops, 16.18 plus 3.92. That's going to give you approximately 10.2 volts.